Hey guys, it's Izzy Vicky Beauty here again today, and I want to show you guys how I did this look here because it is something I completely would never expect to do. This is something so new to me, but I love it, and I found it on Instagram. It's this girl that I follow, and she did a look similar to it. I changed it up a little bit just because I'm a little darker, but yeah, I really like how it came out. So go ahead and continue watching to see how I created this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so for this look, I'm going to be using the Vida palette from the Melt Cosmetics collection, and I'm going to be going in with the color Pan Dulce, which is this orange here. I already prepped my eyes. I used ochre, soft ochre from paint pots from MAC. So I already put that on, and I did my brows already. I did nothing too like bold. I just kind of filled them in, clean them up. That's it. And then I'm going to be going in with this MAC 239 or 8S brush. I don't know. It's kind of rubbed off now. But it's just like a little flat like brush, packing brush, just so I can get the curve. We're going to go ahead and get started. Such a beautiful color. Love it. The pigments on these palettes are to die for. They are so good. I cannot get over how pigmented these colors are. Okay guys, that's gonna be my base for my eyes. I am gonna go put my face on, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna continue, and I'm gonna use Pan Dulce again. I'm gonna shade underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna mix it into Sol as well, which is the more like mustard yellow color, this one right here. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go in with the eyeliner. Okay, so that was Pan Dulce. I'm sorry, Sol underneath, just to kind of blend it out. So now I'm going to go in with the color Chocolate, which is a dark brown. And I'm going to do that just to kind of line my waterline. Very, very, very minimal, okay? I want to keep it really bright, so as bright as possible. So just keep it really close to the waterline. Alright, so that's done. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Alegría, which is like the shimmer orange. Yeah, I'm gonna put that all over my lid. gonna go in and line my lids, and I'm gonna go in with NYX Love Lust Disco. I love this one, so we're gonna be using that. And I think I'm gonna start with my normal liner, and then I'll go in with the top. I really hope I don't mess this up. There's your look number one, when you know you can do your normal liner. And now we're gonna go on to look number two, where you can hope to do the top liner. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in with Fuego highlight from Desi and Katie with Dose. Here we go. Okay, I'm so scared. Alright guys, so that is going to be the finished look. I'm just going to put on some mascara, and then I'm going to put the little stones on if I can find some. Alright guys, that's going to be the final look. I actually am so in love with how it came out. This is something definitely out of my comfort zone. I've never done anything like this before, but I have to say I am so in love with it. And I honestly wish that if I went out in public, people didn't look at me like I was crazy or something, because I would totally do something like this more often than not. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.